This is Nature's deodorant. You don't need no deodorant because
show 'em, baby.
if you buy deodorant from the store, it's full of parabens, which causes cancer, breast cancer for women. If y'all want your tatas, which y'all need to have when y'all have children, y'all, this is what you feed your baby with. So y'all need these. This is your deodorant. This will not cause you cancer, breast cancer, none of that. This is alkaline to the body. Okay, so this is what you do.
Hey,
you see this? You do this. Put that lime up in there.
Where is it at?
Put that lime all up in there. You see that? Well, hold on, let me get another one. See this? It's another half right here. You don't even need the whole lemon. You want to squeeze it in your mouth, eat a little bit, then, you know, just rub it right there. You just need a little. Let it air dry. You're good. No smell. The same thing they so-called deodorant does. You know, deodorant actually blocks your body from sweating out, especially if you're eating toxins like meat, dairy and all that. You're blocking the deodorant, blocks it from coming out of your body. And that's another form of how your body gets sick, because it's not able to release that toxin because you're blocking it with deodorant. So, and also deodorant has aluminum, which prones you more to getting Alzheimer's too. So for all my women, and not just women, the men too, but our women, when you use deodorant, you're more prone to getting breast cancer. So if you're trying to be a mother to feed your kid the natural way, the way it should be, you need to use limes, so you won't ever have to fear of getting breast cancer because you're using the bullshit deodorant that is not natural to our beings. Use the Keylimes. It's alkaline to your body. You won't smell, and it doesn't damage your body at all. It's very, very healthy. Throw away your deodorants. All your deodorants. Men, women, throw that shit away.